Hey there bakers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making delicious coconut macaroons, a classic cookie that's chewy, sweet and utterly irresistible. So let's get started. Into a bowl add some shredded coconut, condensed milk, vanilla essence and some salt. Mix everything really well. Now add some egg whites into a large bowl and whip up till it becomes stiff peaks. Got perfectly whipped up. Now add around 2 scoops of this egg white into the shredded coconut mixture and slowly fold that in. Use a cookie scoop to shape the dough into balls like this and place them onto a prepared baking sheet, leaving 2 inches of space between each cookie. Now bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for around 20 minutes or until light golden. Remove from the oven and let it cool on baking sheet for around 5 minutes. If desired, dip these cookies in some melted chocolate. And that's it. Delicious coconut macaroons, perfect for snacking or sharing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more recipe videos. Happy baking!